Hello students, welcome back to another session of ABM 3510 Agro Processing Management. Today we will be dealing with the SWOT analysis of the agro processing industries in India. So we'll see what are the major opportunities of agro processing industries in India. So first one is employment opportunity for unskilled, semi-skilled and skilled labor. It provides lots of employable opportunity. Then towards the banking sector, the financial support is provided by the banking sector, and 50% of the total plan the what you call is the finance is offered by the banks. The subsidies are also available, so here lies an opportunity. Next is tax reduction by the government sector for the agriculture processing industry. A huge tax reduction is been provided, so here lies an opportunity for the agro processing industry. Again, in terms of contract farming or backward linkages, the farmer and the industries are able to link each other. The forward and backward linkages are being provided. Exemption of income taxes. The agriculture producers and the processing industries are being exempted from the taxes. Most of the taxes there are reductions in the taxes, and some of the taxes are exempted. So here lies again an opportunity for the processing industries. Next, developing of food parks. A large number of food parks are being installed or being developed. So these are some of the opportunities. And other things, the seventh point is urban and middle class population can increase their income by these processing industries. Next, increasing the nuclear and dual income families income by producing ready to cook or ready to eat items. Changing demographic patterns. The target people have been changed from the urban population to the rural population, which is again a 70% of the total Indian population lives in rural India. So since the demographical pattern have changed, the marketers the marketable opportunities has increased. So next is the change in behavior and attitude of the consumer. There is a huge trend in the consumption of foreign goods and services. Next, crop and raw material based opportunities are there. Technological development. Due to the advanced technological development, the processing industry is having a huge opportunity. Now, we will look into what are the major threats. The natural calamities is a threat to the processing and production industry. Import of banned products. Certain products are banned, so that again is a threat to the processing industries, because some of the items for the processing have to be imported from some nations, some countries, which are being banned, which then that result in that drastically result the processing industry. Next, high cost of the production, risk bearing ability, change in the government policies and the global competition, and loss of trained manpower, rapid development of obsolescence. So these are the certain when we discuss on the SWOT analysis, the strength, and we know what are the major strength and weakness. The strength are the opportunities and the weakness are the threats to the industry. So that's the reason we have discussed the opportunities and the threats. Okay.